Today we talk about continuous learning. Live and learn is truly important. Mark Twain once said, "I have never let my schooling interfere with my education." In China, most parents and schools tend to instill in kids the idea that once you get into a good university, you are set. But, in fact, the most important purpose of schooling isn't to get into college. The most important thing is to learn how to learn. The only constant in the world is change. So we must keep learning continuously. Many people stop learning after graduation. After working for a few years, they stay in their comfort zone, gain experience, but not real growth. Some people think Buffett is just an old guy and who only buys outdated business. That's a misunderstanding. Buffett have always kept learning. When he bought Apple in 2016, he was already 85 years older. How many people can do that? So, learn value investing and keep learning continuously.